Position, rotation, lettering. In this video, we will discuss about position of objects in quadrants, rotation of horizontal plane, and lettering to be given. Let's see the position of objects. If the object is situated above horizontal plane and in front of the vertical plane, it is said to be in the first quadrant. If it is situated above horizontal plane and behind vertical plane, it is in the second quadrant. If it is situated below horizontal plane and behind vertical plane, it is in the third quadrant. If it is situated below horizontal plane and in front of vertical plane, it is in the fourth quadrant. Okay, let's come back to the top view. The top view is projected on the horizontal plane. We know that it is possible to see the top view on the horizontal plane, but it is not possible to draw the top view on the sheet. We draw it below the reference line, right? Here comes the concept of rotation. Actually, we get this kind of representation of drawing the top view below the reference line just by rotating the horizontal plane by 90 degrees in clockwise direction. By rotating it 90 degrees, we are able to bring the top view below the reference line. That makes it look like a 2D plane. This is how the top view of an object is drawn below the reference line according to the first angle projection. The vertical plane should not be moved because the front view projected on it can be drawn on vertical plane. This rotation concept is applicable to all quadrants. Let's see how we represent the top views of the other three quadrants on plane and how the lettering is given to the projections. Points to remember to draw the orthographic projection of the object. The original object dimension should be given the notations as uppercase letters A, B, C, D, etc. If the object is in first quadrant, the front view is drawn above the reference line that was projected on vertical plane. The front view of the object is designated by lowercase letters with dashes, that is A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, etc. And the top view projected on horizontal plane should be rotated by 90 degrees in clockwise direction so that it comes below the reference line. The top view of the object is designated by lowercase letters without dashes, that is A, B, C, D. The side view projected on the profile plane will be drawn right side to the front view, and it is designated with lowercase letters with double dashes, that is A double dash, B double dash, C double dash, D double dash, etc. This lettering should be followed in all quadrants. Front view with lowercase letters with dashes and top view with lowercase letters without dashes. If the object is in the second quadrant, the front view is drawn above the reference line as it is on vertical plane. As usual, the top view projected on horizontal plane should be rotated 90 degrees in clockwise direction. Now the top view and front view both came on the same plane. So the top view and front view both should be drawn above the reference. If the object is in third quadrant, the front view is drawn below the reference line as it is on vertical plane, and the top view projected on horizontal plane is rotated 90 degrees clockwise so that the top view comes above the reference line. So the third quadrant projection is exactly reciprocal to the first quadrant. If the object is in fourth quadrant, the front view comes below the reference line as it is on vertical plane, and the top view projected on horizontal plane is rotated 90 degrees clockwise, both views coincide, so the top view is also drawn below the reference line. We can say the fourth quadrant projection is exactly reciprocal to the second quadrant. In this video, we have discussed about position of objects in quadrants, rotation of horizontal plane, and lettering to be given.